So let me start then. Do you want this? I'm sure in last week we have covered binary classification. What classification? Binary classification. Kind of at class prediction probability there is a method. I thought I can explain later, but frankly speaking, there is not much to it. Binary classification we already done. Yeah, binary classification. Oh, again, insurance status did a mistake. Only team I'm fixing. Voice not here. Now how it is? Is my voice is clear? Yeah. Multi-class classification. This is again logistic regression actually. First I will send that one, then I can continue the topic actually. Date is 24. Don't you guys are having access in Google Classroom? Can't you chart actually? Okay. If you can chart, you can remind me in Google Classroom. Let us upload material first. I mean, running notes. For a binary classification, I might have missed about the data set. Let us cross verify. Previously, did I shade here or what? No, Daniel. 93. 93. Okay. Then let us continue. I have sent actually, right? It's 24. Yeah, I'm almost near to close this discussion. Let's move on. If you wanted to become very good in machine learning, there are two steps are important. The first one is called as a ML flow. Two important steps, important things in ML. The first one will be ML flow. The second one will be ML steps. These two are very, very important, sir. Very, very important. When it comes to ML flow, you will understand the reality. Generally, we'll get a data from client. So from the data, we need to convert into data frame. Next one, feature engineering. Next one, array, machine learning algorithm, cost function, gradient descent algorithm, increase accuracy, reduce error, bias, variance. ML steps actually. Importing the libraries, loading the dataset, data preparation, splitting the dataset, model creation, model training, prediction. Bus, right? Let me share you one small good news actually. One small good news. What is that one, Daniel? Mostly in my free time, I like document preparation. I like, so material preparation. I don't know. I got it that I was God gifted actually. I mean to say that is really a gift from God. I like material preparation. This material is already done, but it is in review mode actually. What material I have done, from last to 3 to 4 months. From last to 3 to 4 months, AI trending topics. What topics, man? Trending topics. Especially I'm talking about trending AI topics. Trending AI topics. For sure, you have to include these topics in your resume. You should include these topics in your resume actually. Trust me, if you are including these topics in your resume, these topics, so include in your resume. In resume actually. What are the topics, sir? The first topic in his name is called as agentic AI. What is the first one? Agentic AI. The second one will be AI agents. Sir, this is very, very important. And the third one will be kind of some RAG actually. The fourth topic is kind of some LLM. Even though you don't know these are all topics, don't worry. Here, almost I have created some 5 parts actually, 5 parts of material. But part number 1 is end-to-end ready. Part number 1 is ready actually. Let me show you. What is the topic name? AI. AI. Let me show you the material. I'm sure you already know. I used to tell one thing, sir, don't worry if any new topic came, they should use Python. They should use. Let me prove practically today. I prepared that material. Maybe for other guys also, I have explained the same. So I have already downloaded the material. Frankly speaking, the font and looks, everything became very good actually. But still, there are some to-do list I do have. Sir, material preparation is not a joke. All my free time, I need to spend my time over the material. That too, this material we are giving as a for you actually, like a free. We are not charging anything. I don't want to charge also. I don't want him to mean. I didn't mean that one actually, but we are giving the best, especially myself. I'm sure you already know. I will talk with material. I will talk with without material. I never actually. Why? Because without material I can deliver the session. But what is a proof for you for revision actual? Definitely revision really helpful for you, right? Now go back. These are all kind of some you can understand. The material is really format very nice and kind of some including images also I have included actually. These are all it will be helpful for you. Now here onwards I'm talking more with images. Let us enter into the example directly. One end-to-end example I can open. End-to-end example. All right. This is kind of some here also some steps would you have. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. Can you tell me what is the topic name? You don't know the definition also. Am I right? But let me tell you. Look at the code actually. Uh, any idea what is this? Nice man. How you know? Because of? Because of? No. I'm sorry. Ayo. Not because of me, sir. Because of Python. Because of what exactly? That's what I'm telling. Now you understand today why I'm highlighting always Python. You made my day actually. Why I'm telling always Python, sir. See, advanced topic, they are using Python. According to my analysis, I'm seeing data science since a long actually. I do have a sound experience. Now we are in 2025. Think like 2030. Think like 2040. Some new topic is coming. Definitely they have to use the Python. So Python is very, very important actually. Okay. Now go back, Daniel. Here there are few examples. Let me show you. Small pattern I have changed actually. That pattern I will show you. If you spare 2 minutes actually. Yeah, these are all steps. AI agents, technical flow. Step number 1. What do you mean by step number 1? You know, Chapan sir, importing the library. Here onwards, I will specify only steps. You should know the step number 1. This is called as what exactly? Class. Slightly I have changed my explanation, sir. This explanation I feel really very good. I tried this one. I feel this is really good actually. Now below for every program you can find one small box. This box is called as a code walkthrough. What is this? Code walkthrough. Imagine during my explanation, you are in more active, you can understand. Imagine after one day, you need some code explanation. You no need to ask anyone. Just try to read this box actually. From and import, what is that? Keywords. Why red color? Keywords. I wanted to ensure that actually. Crew AI, it is the name of the package name. One of the package. How to install? That's it. That's it actually. Now what is this one? Class. I wanted to tell, then this code walkthrough literally helps you actually. Are you with me or not, sir? This is more on technical discussion. I feel really, how it is, this box looks good, right? Slowly change it actually. Change it the next one. Step number 1, importing the library. Step number 2, configure LLM. Don't worry, these are all technical keywords actually. Sir, any idea? This whole line is called as a object creation. What creation? Object creation, right? From here to here, LLM, completely they have given completely. LLM is the kind of some complete all or uppercase letter actually. Any idea what is this? Very good. Keyword augment. That I feel so happy when you are responding, it is a keyword augment. Trust me, nothing is there. If you wanted to understand all advanced topics, be strong in Python. Be strong in. That's it. That's what I wanted to prove today actually. I feel so happy. Why? Because you know, even though you don't know the definition of agent, but what is agent means, Daniel, that is a class. We know actually. That guts is really very good actually. And even here I have explained code walkthrough. LLM is a predefined class in a Cruay package. You know, LLM is the name of the object to the LLM. And model is the keyword augment for LLMs. Yeah, constructors actually. And this one also what exactly construct. During object creation, something executes. Constructor. That's what I would like to tell. Sir, this document became really very good actually. Almost AI agents 5 parts material. Part 1 is ready. Coming Saturday, I'm planning to deliver. Coming Saturday, I'm planning to deliver. Only, you know, for my batches actually. Even for my previous 5 to 6 batches would you have. I'm planning to combine and I'm planning to deliver. Don't miss the session. Frankly speaking, it will be in the highly advanced topics. You cannot get this content in, you know, any website also. This is from real time I can talk with you. మీకు అర్థమైందా sir? Very, very important. You have to include in your resume. Okay, I already done some POCs, a kind of some, you know, so agentic AI agents, RAG, LLM, these are all topics you have to include actually. All you guys are, sir, and one more thing I have observed while I was preparing this material, trust me, backend they are using completely lot of keyword arguments actually. What arguments, man? Keyword argument. Chudandi, come and look at my screen. This one is called as object creation. You know, object is started from here, and this one is a class name. Parenthesis starting. Somewhere parenthesis would have actually. Somewhere parenthesis would have. Keyword argument number 1. Keyword argument number 2. Keyword argument number 3. Keyword argument number 4. Are you, sir? More keyword arguments. What exactly? More keyword arguments. Just try to do small revision keyword arguments also. Trust me, with Python, you can understand these are all things actually. I can say that one. Okay, na, sir? Nice. Fine. I hope you understand. Cool. These are all things I can talk more actually later. Yeah. Let me drink water. These are all advanced topics, sir. And even I will tell you one small point. It's really right. Why document actually? Reference. End of the session, if somebody explained actually, on an average 70% you can grab. But the 30% from the material you can read and you can understand the total stuff actually. If you have no material, 70 will become 60, 60 will become 50. We are having our own life tensions actually. It will become 0. It will become. But if you're having material, it helps you actually. That is my motto. That's what the day one onwards, I'm following the same pattern. Deliver the session, give the material. But sometimes I'm missing the data set actually. Don't get angry on me. Okay, and good. There are few more topics to-do list actually that I have to finish and I need to make it very quickly. To-do list actually. Yeah, fine, sir. That's what you need to be understand. Good. Thank you. Types of agents. All right. Fine then. Okay. Let's continue. Rather than existing topics, companies expecting more nowadays onwards actually. I mean nowadays, especially advanced topics. If you know fundamentals also more than enough, but you should have an idea. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? If you know fundamentals, more than enough actually. Not fundamental, you can gain deep knowledge actually. Where are we? Topic number 19. Yeah, thank you, sir. Let's open this. Today we are going to start a new topic which is so called as a multi-class classification. What is the topic name? Multi-class classification. We already know a kind of some little theory behind of this one. Let me explain about the background history and behind of this topic, what exactly happened. Logistic regression comes under supervised learning technique. It is comes under what exactly, sir? Supervised learning technique. It is a technique that is used to solve for classification problem. In this universe, there are more classification problems. Let me think about this room. Recognizing the fan, different fans would have classification problem. Recognizing the chair, this one also chair, that one also chair, classification problem. Gender category, classification problem. Are you with me? So it is a technique that is used to solve classification problem. It is used for predicting the categorical dependent variable using the given set of independent variable. Types of logistic regression, two types, sir. One is a binary classification, next one is a multi-class classification. Binary classification example. In binary classification, there can be only two possible types of the dependent variable, either yes or no, 0 or 1, pass or fail, either you will buy or not. These are all classification category. These are all, I'm sorry, binary classification. What classification? Bi means two, binary, either 0 or 1. Multi-class classification. Sir, here you can find out the target variables having a kind of some set of multiple values. Set of multiple values. In multi-class classification, there can be 3 or more possible unordered types actually. Unordered type, unordered type in the sense what exactly? Nominal data. What data? No logical ordering. No logical ordering, right? Good, best. Okay, good, best. Cat, dog, sheep actually. These are all. Go back to my father example. What is my father concern? He wanted to train his son with to recognize cat on dog. Cat on dog. What problem? Binary. Make a note on this one. Based on problem statement, you need to recognize actual. You need to recognize. Multi-class classification. What classification? Go back. Let me show you the one live example where multi-class classification they are using. Go to Amazon. You can just have to go for any kind of some Samsung mobile. Click on this one, Samsung mobile. The budget will be below 20,000. Good 7,000 reviews actually. 7,000 reviews. Click on this. Yeah, good. Can you tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Sir, multi-class classification. What classification?
Yeah, definitely. You know, either that review belongs to either 5, 4, 3. I mean to say that Amazon backend it is using, it cannot tell, it should not maintain only 2. If it is maintain only 2, gone case actually. Either good or bad. If it is bad actually, that product never sell again actually. Are you with me or not, sir? That's why based on requirement, they are maintaining like, 5, 4, almost 5. How many classes? 5 classes actually. Make a note on this one. Multi-class classification. What classification, sir? Multi-class classification. One of the live example. That's still okay, sir. Based on the review, they are making order actually. I mean to say that you can just try to go back. Label encoder actually. A kind of some label encoder. Where are we? Now, such a nice, one of the example I'm going to take actually. Let me explain one more small use case. One more small use case actually, use case. We are going to work with one more public data set. Get ready to understand. Try to understand this public data set actually. Second time training. Training number 2. Training number 2 actually. So second time training. Go back to my father. First training 1. What happened actually during training 1? Training 1. What is that training 1, sir? Cat and dog actually. What exactly? Cat and dog. Very good. My father started again training number 2. Second type of training. Now, what is the second training, So go back to my father. My father name is Jeshwant actually. And he has a small concern about his son. And son name is Daniel. And he is having think like a 3 years of old. How many years of old actually? 3 years of old. 3 years of old. Then now my father concern. So my father having concern. So he wanted to train. So he wanted to train his son to recognize. To what exactly, sir? Recognize 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 actually. Okay, 0 to 9 image, 0 to 9 numbers. How many numbers? Tell me, sir. 0 to 9 numbers. This is really very good. Great actually. Can you tell me what is the previous? Cat and dog. Okay. He went to shop and he collected images. How many images? Any idea? Chappan sir? 100 actually. 100 images. Now the same story. My father went to shop. Almost he went for 20 shops actually. Oh my God. Think like 20. More than 20 shops actually. He collected. Can you tell me what is the problem statement? He wanted to train his son with what exactly? 0 to 9? Chappan sir? Numbers. 0 to 9 numbers actually. A kind of some numbers. Now he collected 1797 images actually. Oh my God. How many images? Think like more than 1700. Almost nearby 1800. Nearby 1800. Let me ask a question. Hey, Daniel, what is the problem statement? My father wanted to train 0 to 9. Kind of some 10 digits actually. Kind of some 10 numbers. Why this much data? Can I tell you why this much data? Come again. Very good. You already know. But here one small twist actually. More data, more knowledge. What you told that is right actually. But let me tell you. Can I tell you one small point? Hold on, sir. There are some people, so they can represent 0 means like this actually. 0 means like this. It is representing with 0 means like this actually. Yeah, Daniel, this one is a 0. There are some people, they can write 0 like this actually. Both are zeros only. Both are? Am I right? The next one, like this actually. Okay. 0 only. Some persons they can they can write like this 1 actually. Yeah, Daniel, this one is a 1. Sir, few people they can write, it will be like a dance actually. Yeah, 1 means like this they can write actually. Any idea what is that number? 1. Now let me tell you 2. Any idea what is this? 2 actually. There are some numbers 2 what how they will write, ayo sir. And baspetles kuchodu antaru kada. I'm sorry for saying. 2 actually like this. The next one will be few people can write 4 like this actually. Now few people can write 4 like this actually. Now I'm sure you understand why my father collected that many images. More data, more knowledge. Get ready to understand, right? He wanted to cover all patterns. If my father trained with only this image, then I can recognize only this is the one. This is not one. I will tell directly, I will argue also. That is not one actually. That's the problem. That's what all lot of patterns actually. That's what you need to get an idea. Okay. Some people 7 they can write like this. But some people they will write 7 chapter. Yeah, exactly. You got it, I guess actually. You understand, right? Perfect. Yeah, same story. Continue. So other story I hope you know. What is the first operation? Shuffle. Second operation, splitting. Go on case. Then next one will be training. Next one will be testing. Definitely data matters. What matters actually? Data matters. Good. My father, he went to shop and he bought how many images, sir? 1797. I'm repeating again, he paid the money for images, but with my understanding, he bought knowledge. He bought what exactly? Images is nothing but a knowledge, sir. Images is nothing but what exactly? Knowledge. He paid the money for knowledge. He paid the money for what exactly? Knowledge actually. Knowledge. Now we are going to create one kind of some logistic regression model. Logistic regression model. We are going to take a data. Sir, here the data is a images data. That is really quite interesting. What data? Images. That too, there is a special images which is so called as a grayscale image. What image actually? When I say grayscale image, kind of some you can see blur images actually. Blur and black and white images. We are going to train our model with kind of some grayscale images actually. Right. Now, Daniel, this data we are giving to the model. We are giving to what exactly, sir? Model. I mean, it is a machine learning algorithm. Machine learning algorithm learn from images. Especially what are all images? 0 to what exactly, sir? Can you tell me the last number? 9. Very good. Very good, actually. Okay, good. Then the next one will be now after training is over. Training is done actually. Training is done. The next one is what exactly testing. Why testing? Yeah. How the training went, you can also call as a to check the accuracy. To check what exactly, sir? Accuracy. All right, we are good to go. Let's move on. Take this point. Let's continue. I will tell you why images. Even though if you are giving images, machine learning algorithm backend it will convert like a numbers actually. I will tell you how it is possible. You can this one more public data set we are working. Till now we already know Titanic data set is a public data set. What data set? Titanic data set. I will talk with you. Identify handwritten digits. If image having the 0 number, then output should be 0. 1, then 1. 2 means 2. 9 means 9. Think like, so the problem, recognizing the image. We are giving this image and it's supposed to be mapped with the right value. Identify handwritten digits recognition. Identify handwritten digits. What is the value? 4. And the respectively, now get ready, sir. Get ready. So that problem statement we are going to work actually. You will understand very clearly more the description. This one is a public data set. What data set mean? Public data set. sklearn library comes up with the built-in data sets. So one of the data set name is called as a digits data set. What data set, sir? Digits data set. Any idea? First one is a topic. Logistic regression. Daniel, I'm talking about multi-class classification. Multi-class. Can you tell me step number 1? Good. Importing the libraries. Importing the libraries. Step number 2, loading the data set. Can you tell me what is this? Very good. Function. Almost in real time, functions and classes we are importing generally. That too, almost if you import the function, function should contain return statement. Almost, I can say 90, not 90, 100%. AI agents also. In AI agents also, functions we are using, but classes we are using more. Ekku classes vadutam manam actually. Nicely they have written very. There is one package name is called as a Crew AI. What is the package name, sir? Crew AI. Let me show you. You will get an idea. Python, sir. Trust me, Python actually. See, this one is one of the class agent attributes. It is having really great attributes actually. And I feel really next level. Amazing. AI agents topic is amazing actually. The code level, you can understand these are all. We are creating an object. We are calling a method kickoff actually. Yeah, great. So this one is a Python code, sir. Any idea? From is what exactly keyword? Import is a keyword. These three, can you tell me what is this three? That's it, man. If you are able to understand, that is more than enough actually. I can talk more. This one is a class we are creating. This one is called as a decorator, a kind of some new Python fundamentals you should understand actually. Any idea what is this? Written. They're completely written object actually. Very good, very good. You will understand. These are all code we have written in our material. Crew AI. Nicely they have used Python, sir. Okay, cool. Anyway. Nowadays, companies are expecting some little more advanced knowledge from you that I can help you. Easy, man. If you are very good in Python. One small supporter advantage from you. If you are very good in Python, getting job one day late also fine. I'm repeating again. If you are very good in Python, if you are getting job late 10 days late also fine. Why? Because you are in right thing actually. Many people, if you don't know Python, who are all don't know Python, they are by hurting, sir. They're thinking like, data frame is a class, that data frame is a class, data frame is a class. First of all, they're not pronouncing the right data frame class actually. Still they are thinking like, train underscore test underscore split. Is it class or function? Many people don't know. Length, is it function or class? Length, LEN. Yeah. Ensure that you already know actually. Importing the libraries, loading the dataset, function call, we assign into variable. Hey Daniel, instead of this object, what all things are available? I wanted to see. Instead of this object, what all things are available? I wanted to see. DIR. What do we need to apply, sir? DIR. Yeah, you're right, sir. Digits. I'm sorry. Don't scold me. Good. Almost these are all outputs actually. What is the first output? Description. DESCR. Here onwards, remember one thing. One day I already told. it is attribute. If the attribute having all are uppercase letter, all are what letter? That is called as a constant. That is called as a, did I told this one with you? Okay, now let me tell you. df dot shape, lowercase letter. First of all, it is called as an attribute, lowercase actual. df dot columns, attribute, lowercase. Now, let me tell you, digits dot, a kind of some description. Sir, it is called as a special attribute. What attribute actually? Special attribute. Special attribute, Daniel, uppercase letter. Uppercase actually. This also having another name which is so called as a constant. Then constant and kuda antam. What we need to call? Constant. Constant. Built-in constants. Something like that actually. If anything started with all or uppercase letter, it is constant. Then where you explain this one? Siddiq Sarji. Let me tell you, constant means static variable in Java. No, sir, even in Java, static variables are different. And, and constants are different actually. Constants are, both are different actually. Both are different, sir. Make a note on this one. Yeah, by using final keyword, we can create a constants. That's what actually. Final keyword. By using final keyword in Java, what all you are creating, those are all called as a constant. Here also same. Yeah. చెప్పండి. Okay. Yeah, sure, sir. Sure. Let me tell you. Think like there is a class A. The next one, there is a class B. Imagine here it is having M1 method, and here it is having M2 method, and here it is having underscore M3 method actually. Now class B, it is so called as inheritance. Don't worry what do you mean by inheritance, not much important as of now. M4, the next one will be M5. Good. Now let me tell you, if you create in inheritance, what is the main motto of inheritance? If you create an object for B, you can access M1, M2. You can access M1, M2, but don't try to access M3. Why? Because this is for internal purpose. What purpose actually? Only for class A you have created. That is for internal class usage purpose actually. That's the difference. Okay. Apart from that, nothing. Daniel, is it important? Not much important, sir. Yeah, attribute. Yeah, internal purpose. That logistic regression class internal purpose actually. That they have created only for internal purpose. Yeah, specific class actually. Underscore also. I'm sorry, init also, constructor. Constructor also having underscore symbols. Am I right or not, sir? Good, make a note on this. What I'm covering? I'm talking about this constant, right? Go back, go to our material. Our material is references, sir, for you. Especially what I mean to say that, naming convention. Go to the naming convention. Identifiers table. Class, naming convention. Package, module, variable, function, method, naming convention, Scroll down. Here you can say constant. Name should be in uppercase. If name having the multiple words, then separating words with underscore symbol is what exactly mean? Good practice. All are uppercase only. All are what exactly, sir? Uppercase only. If a word can contain all are uppercase letter, that is called as a constant. That is called as a make artham sir. Make a note on this. Okay. Yeah, all right. Daniel, you have a description. What is the next one? Data, feature names, frame, images, target name. Okay, good. They are giving the data. Feature names they are giving. Target they are giving. Target names also they are giving. Okay, we are good to go. Take this code. Steps 1 and 2. Steps 1 and 2. All right. Hey, Daniel, can I call this attribute actually? Yeah, you can call, sir. If you're calling, what happened, you know? Daniel, can I call this attribute actually? Come on, you can just try to do one thing. That is something like attribute, right? Digits dot description. Okay. Run this code. Very good, man. I mean, it will talk like, you know, boss, what these are all things. Optical recognition, handwritten digits dataset. Dataset characteristics. These are all instances. These are all attributes. Different attributes it is having. Blah, blah, blah. Daniel, is it important to walk through? No, no, no. Not much important. But, you know, if you wanted to see the description about the dataset, you need to call an attribute which is called as a description. Daniel, why? DES here. Python always follows shortest notation. Other libraries also following the same actually, right? Shortcuts. Attribute. A dataset description. Yeah. Describe also same, almost description. It will talk about, you know, especially exactly. It talks about the complete object information actually. Describe method. Okay. Move to the next one. But only for this dataset they have given the description actually. Make a note on this, and I will show you other dataset also. Hey Daniel, there is a one more attribute. Attribute name is so called as a. What is attribute name? You know, sir. Data. Can I print that data? How much data would you have actually? Yeah, you can print actually. Here, this data is nothing but a images data set. What data set? I wanted to know total how many images actually. Then do one thing. Length of data. Length of, come on, let us just try to cross verify. Length of, chaptara, digits dot data. Indirectly, you're asking, inside digits, there is a data. I just wanted to know what is the total, how much data actually. Then you can see the total images, total number of images. 1797. That is a fixed number. That's what I told my father collected how many images. So that you can understand very quickly. What is the training? To train 0 to 9. I'm sorry, not 1 to 9. Make a note actually 0 to 9. Make a note 0 to 9. Though this is the just matter of 0 to 9, 10 numbers. Why these many images? More data, more knowledge. One more time. More data, more knowledge actually. Ayyo, sir. Digits you can see, and digits you can see. Step by step, if you walk through, you can easy to understand. This especially it will be helpful for you to when you are learning advanced technology. What technology? Advanced technology. Trust me. When I was explaining about the AI agents, I may not show you the direct example. I will explain step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. You can understand very easily. I have given review. Once after I have prepared the material, I have given review to one of my senior who is really working in a great, so that the data scientist. He told this is the best way to view the material. He suggested actually go like this only. Don't explain like a example is example. Like a direct, don't feed the example. Explain like a step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. It is easy way of learning. Tell me the ML steps, sir. What is the first one? Importing the libraries, loading the data set, enough, blah, blah, blah. What is the last step actually? Prediction. It will be helpful for you. Same fundamental I am following actually, right? AI agents also we have a steps. Cool then. Then the next step will be, Daniel, I wanted to print the data. This one is quite interesting. Get ready, sir. So here I already told the data set. What data set actually? Images data set. What data set? Images. Total how many images? 1797. Right. Can I tell you one small important point today? Let me tell you. Let us just try to get one small image. Just let me get one small image. 1 minute. Let us take Brahmanandam image. Brahmanandam image actual. Let us take this image and can I take this image? Yeah, Daniel, you can take. Think like this one is a, I need a black and white image actually. But anyway, think like this one is a black and white image. Daniel, why you are taking this image? Hold on. Yo, this one is a web actually. Let me take this. JPG. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? Image, right? This is what, sir? Image. But let me tell you. Image means group of pixel. Think like this one is a black and white image. What image, sir? Image means group of pixel. Group of pixel. Every pixel backend it contain number. Every pixel backend it contain what exactly, sir? Make a note on this one. I mean to say. First of all, Daniel, this one is image. Image means group of pixels. Group of what exactly, sir? Pixels actually. Hey, Daniel, what do you mean by pixel? Pixel means a number. Pixel means what exactly, sir? Number. When I say group of pixels, it is group of numbers actually. Now, conclusion of the story. Finally, you will get a array data. What data? Okay, that's what you need to get a clarity. Image means indirectly what exactly, no, sir? Array data. What data? Let me show you practically. You will get an idea. Hold on, I will tell you. Hold on, hold on. My explanation is not yet over. Imagine Daniel, pixel started from here. Think like this, the pixel started from here. Pixel. Maybe recently they have upgraded the system, I guess. 1 minute. Still okay. I need 20. Okay. Yeah, 20. Sir, think like black and white images. This one is a black and white, and there is no space here. Think like only this image. Sir, that image is not shadow here actually. 0, 0, 0, 0. These are all zeros actually. Think like black and white. Background is like black and white. Now slowly, can I tell you this image part is going to start? What is going to start? Image part. Then automatically backend kind of some number it is being getting involving actually. If you want, is it okay? Can I change that? Daniel, make it like this one is the white, please. Which one, sir? Okay, okay. Color. I hope this one only, sir. Yeah, good. So what I mean to say that is, from here to here, pixel number is a 0. Pixel number is a, once the image shadow started actually, that image will occupy the number. That number will be 0 to 254. 0 to 256, I guess actually. 255 or yeah, 256. Okay, start from 0 actually. Good. Now, sir, here again some number. Again some number actually. Again some number. Now here, can you tell me what is the next one actually? Exactly, you catch my point actually. Now these are all zeros again. Now again it will start what exactly, sir? Number actually, numerical data. Now again what exactly, sir? 0 actually. I'm pretty sure you got a clarity. Now today, let me show you. We are going to get a 1797 images. I mean to say every image is a group of pixels. Every image is a one array data. What data, sir? Now, whenever you are printing the data, indirectly you will get a 1797 arrays you are going to get. Are you with me or not, sir? Daniel, why array? Don't ask this question. Why? Because, thank you for answering actually. Good. Machine learning algorithm will always talk with what data? Exactly, sir. Even it is the image is representing with something like, array data. That's what you need to be understand, right? If you want, if you are giving some time, if you give some time, Image means pixel. Take face image and show in numbers like array images actually, right? Yeah, exactly, sir. Chudandi. Think like this one is a blur image. This is what image, sir? Blur image actually. Any idea what is this? Yeah, exactly, man. Back end, that one is 1 pixel. Pixel means number. Where is that face image, sir? Very good, man. Very good. This is the best explanation actually. You will get an idea. Now, make a note on this one. Make a note on this one. Think like when you're looking it from far, you can see kind of some human face image. Am I right? Even though this one is a human face image, here you can see small boxes. Box number 1, box number 2, box number 3, box number 4. Every box it is filling with the number. Every box it is filling with what exactly, sir? Number. Now again, Daniel, this one is the actual image, then backend representing with the numerical data. From this image, computer is understanding about array data. What data, sir? It is really good if I download this image actually, kada? Then I can upload this one. Good image representation. Even though you are taking one selfie, array data. What data? Imagine if the selfie is really very good, then the backend, the density color will be very strong. Array having big number. Array having big number. That's what you need to be understand. Okay. Let us. As of now, I'm focusing on only black and white images, ma'am. Color images different again. Actually, I can talk. Now let me tell you. Image means array data. Array actually. Array, right? What do you mean by array again? Group of numbers. Group of what exactly? Numbers. Can I say this is the grayscale image? What image, sir? You can remind me. End of this session, I need to upload this image also. Then more clarity. That's what. See, I don't know where this image is available, but the way how we are searching, the query is important actually. This we can gain from experience. What I'm asking to the search engine, Google search engine. Google search engine having trillion images. How many images? But the way how your prompt in the sense, what you want to have to explain very clearly. I'm looking for images, means pixel. I'm giving one small definition in 3 words actually. Take a face image, okay, take a face image and show in the numbers like a array images actually. Best example immediately we are getting actually. Are you with me or not, sir? When it comes to search engine, the way how nicely you're asking, it will give the good results actually. It will give the good results. This you can gain through experience. When I was working in my project, if I'm getting any error, to fix that error, I can frame one sentence actually immediately. It won't take just a matter of 1 minute. Issue will be fixed actually. We can find out the solution. We can find out the solution. Slowly by slowly, you have to improve your, prompting actually. Let me take this one, close this one, make a note on this. Now, why I explain these are all things? Why I explain, hey Daniel, can you print the data? Yeah, sir, I'm going to print the data. But here, the data means what exactly? Images. But images means what exactly in the backend? Yeah, pixel. Pixel means numbers. Numbers means array data. That's what you need to be understand. Sir, get ready. Lot of arrays we are going to see. Lot of arrays. Started from here and here to here and keep on dot indicates to lot actually. Go to the data frame. It will display top 5 rows actually. Same thing like that, in a single row, in a single image, it is displaying kind of some, these are all, and it is displaying last image actually. We'll see. I will show you practically, sir. Sir, this one representing 1 pixel. 0 representing 1 pixel. I will show you practically. If you give me another 5 minutes, I will show you. Daniel, are you sure? This 0 represents 1 pixel box. 5 represents 1 pixel box. 10 represents 1 pixel box actually. I will tell you. I will show you. Tell me, man. One more time. Very good question, ma'am. There is a good question. The question will be, array Daniel, you didn't given file path. Then how we got what exactly? Got the data. That is a question actually. Am I right? Did you understand the question first of all? Let me explain one small example. Try to understand this example, then you will get a how it is working in the backend actually. Let me create one small example. DEF, kind of some so data. A written list of range of 1 to 1000. 1 to what exactly? 1001. 1 to what exactly? 1001. Now D equals to data. Now can you tell me? I have one small question for you. You in the sense everyone. Can I say D is a just a variable? D is variable. But inside that variable, what we are doing? We are storing almost how much data? 1000 numbers. How many numbers? Now let me call this one. You will get 1000 numbers. You will get what exactly? 1000 numbers. Same thing like that. What they done, they have created a function. Inside that function, they are storing group of images actually. Whenever you are giving the images, I mean, technically speaking, backend a kind of some blob topic, blob actually, that it will be converted into the array data. These are all arrays it is storing into instead of this variable actually. Hope you understand. Are you with me or not, sir? Right. Can I ask you a question? This one is a function. By using this function, if you are calling this object, by using this object, you can call one attribute actually. You are getting the data. Hey, Daniel, how come it is possible? Then how come it is possible? You are calling the function, it is returning the data. Hey, Daniel, can I increase the data? Sir, 10,000. Daniel, can I increase the data? 1 lakh. Can I increase the data? 10 lakh. Possible actually. If you want, you can print 10 lakh numbers, it is keep on printing actually. You, sir, it is taking a lot of time. Very good, one shot actually. Now, conclusion of the story, the Python having the power in such a way that in a single variable, it can store, you can give any data actually. Madam, you got your answer, I guess. Okay. Yeah, come on, please. Very good. This is a good question. Daniel, this one is you are taking predefined images. Think like, I have taken all my 100 images. I wanted to train the model. That model I wanted to tell Daniel model. Then that is belongs to the computer vision topic, sir. In a computer vision, what we are doing, we are taking all 100 images in one path folder and we are giving that path manually to our model actually that we are working in a computer vision. Okay, nice point. As of now, I'm taking like a predefined images. Yeah, good question, right? Answer. It's just a simple. Like a function, return group of values. Group of what exactly, sir? Values. Same thing like that. Is returning object having attribute so called data. Perfect. Where are we? Maybe I'm explaining about these are all things, right? Even somebody asked a question, Daniel. Okay, so this one, let me close this. Notepad++ advantage will be Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, and you can just try to go back and you will get the, yeah, we got our example actually. Are you with me? But in Notepad, only one Control Z. Andega, sir. Okay, cool. Now, yeah. Daniel, uh, how many images? Talk with me, sir. How many images? How many images actually? 1797. Hey, Daniel, can I see one image? Can I see what exactly one image actually? Yeah, you can see, sir. మీరు చూడొచ్చు. Can I see one image actually? Yes, we can. That too, if you are seeing one image, you will get a array data. You will get a Daniel, I don't want array. Can I see actual image actually? Yeah, you can see. Then you need to apply matplotlib. You need to apply. Don't ask what is. Yeah, matplotlib. Okay, let me show you. Sorry for laughing. Hey, Daniel, I wanted to see one image, Daniel. Simple, sir. Then do one thing. And here, data of 0. Data of what exactly? 0. Why? Because, yeah, 0. It can store backend like, array follows the indexing. Group of array. A big array contains first array, one image, second array, another image, third array, another image, like that actually. If you wanted to see the first array, 0 index you need to call, right? Like that you are calling. You cannot understand by looking at this one. I know. I understand you didn't understand this one. But in another 5 minutes, we are converting this array into the image. This array into what exactly? Sir, are you getting your one? Good. No. Looking at the single array. I wanted to see second image. Yeah, good. These are all things. Daniel, enough. Show me image format as image actually. Anyway, let me tell you. Sir, here, what they done, data almost equals to, they have given one more attribute name is called as a images. What is attribute name? Images actually both are same. This, when you are printing the data, you will get a array data actually, but if you wanted to see the image, you have to use images attribute. What attribute, sir? Images attribute. Hold on. I will show you one small use case. You will get an idea. Sir, get ready. This one is image. This one is what exactly? Image. Come on, let me show you one small. Let me just try to display one more time. You will get an idea. Bear with me 2 minutes. Here is a very important point. Data and images, almost both are similar attributes. As usual. dir of here you can see. Previously we have played with this one. Now actual images I wanted to see. Actual images I wanted to see. It's okay. Then digits dot what exactly? Images. You will get a lot of images. I wanted to see the first image. I wanted to see what exactly, sir? First image. Now let's close the command prompt. Let us command prompt make it format actually like in a one shot. There is a one small get ready. Now this one is what happens, sir? Print. Now this one is one image we are getting. What we are getting? One image. Did you notice actually pixel number 1, pixel number 2, pixel number 3? Daniel, show me this image actually. If you wanted to see that image, then you need to call, inside matplotlib, there is a one function. Function name is so called as a mat show. What is the function name? Mat show of digits dot image 0 you can provide. Grayscale image show actually. Sir, you're almost very near. This is seriously good example. You will get an idea. Get ready to understand. Get ready to understand. Yeah. Look at this corner. Everybody look at this corner. Look at this corner. I'm keeping my mouse in a first pixel actually. In corner, what you can see? Tell me 0.00. What you can see? 0.00. Exactly here also 0. I'm just trying to moving my cursor to the second pixel. What is the value? 0, 0. Let us just try to move to the next pixel. Can you guess the number? Look at this one, sir. Compare here also. Yeah, pixel number 0, pixel number 0. What is the pixel? 5. I mean to say, this one is the mapping actually. This one is the mapping array for this image. Are you with me? All right. Now I have a question for you. See, here is the more shadow, a kind of some shadow, big number actually. I'm moving into the third pixel, sir. A kind of some, when I say third actually, according to the index, can you guess the number? 13. 13. Here you can see 13, you can see actually. I'm moving on to the next one. What is that? Now imagine if I didn't display, you cannot understand this image actually. What is going on into the backend? That's what I'm comparing. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Let me repeat again. అంటే ఇది మీకు ఎలా అర్థం కావాలి అంటే, దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ జీరో డానియల్. మీరు వీటిని కలుపుకుంటూ వెళ్తే జీరో వస్తుంది యాక్చువల్గా. దిస్ ఈజ్ హ్యాండ్ రిటర్న్ రైట్. ఒక 0 వస్తుంది అనమాట. చిన్నప్పుడు ఇన్ యువర్ స్కూల్ స్టేజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ దెర్ ఈస్ ఎ స్లేట్. టీచర్ విల్ గివ్ 0 యాక్చువల్లీ. Then it will become like what exactly, sir? Big 0. I'm sorry. Exactly, sir. Exactly. That's what you need to be understand. I mean, all these points you need to be connected. See, these are all still, it is still connected actually. Inka diddali neat ga. Sorry for kidding, man. That's it. Now only these are all 0 actually. I'm pretty sure. I'm sorry. I hope you got a clarity. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Let me just try to keep my mouse here actually. Keep my mouse here. Can you tell me what is the number? 0. 0 is matching actually. Sir, previously someone asked, each pixel means this one is 1 pixel. Did you understand now? I'm sure, I hope you understand, sir. Now, let me just try to go to this position, 15th. Then go to the 13th and go to the below exactly 15th. Sir, big number, more shadow, a kind of some, the picture density is more actually. Picture, if the array number is the big number, the density is the more actually. That's what you need to understand. Here only 15 is the bigger number. Here you can see, so you can see a kind of some white color. And these are all again 0. These are all again what exactly, sir? 0. What is this number? 2. We'll do one thing. Like that you need to map this one and this one you need to print, then you will get a clarity actually. That's what I'm printing, image of 0 and I'm printing image actual. We'll do one thing. Let's take this example. We are displaying array, kind of some pixels and image. Daniel, it's okay Daniel. Can you print one more image? Yeah, sure I can print. Chappandi, image print chadam 1. Here also first image 1, a kind of some, you are going to get 1 image actually. Interesting, sir. Yeah, good. This is representing with 1. Representing with 1. Chudandi. Can you tell me what is the number here? 0. Can you tell me what is the number here? 7. Here also you can see 7. Can you tell me what is the number here? 15. Sir, compared to here, this box is very more shadow actually. Now, if you wanted to, I mean, I'm sure you got a clarity. This is the image representation. What representation? This is the total 1 representation actually. Okay. It's okay. Hope you understand. We are good to go. Here I will ask one interview question. Here I will ask one interview question. Most of the students have a little confusion here, but I don't know why they are confusing actually. Previously, how much I have provided? 0. Now, what is the image you are getting? 0 number. Now, I have provided 1. And now we are getting 1. Let me provide 2. Now, you will get what exactly? 2. No doubt in that. Online team, I will answer your question. Hold on. This is the 2. This is what exactly 2. 2 is representing like this, like a grayscale image. Don't confuse that. It is a 2 actually. Are you with me? Good. They have given like that. Next one, let us provide 3. Can you guess the number? Very good. Good. 3. You can see here actually. Let me provide 4. What is the number? 4. Let me provide 33. What is the number? Come again. I don't want either it is a, I mean, what I mean to say, ఎలా చెప్పాలి, నాకు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ అక్కర్లేదు. I don't want exact answer. Just try to guess. This number can be in between. In between. Very good. But many students are confusing. 33 means 33 numbers supposed to be. Are you boss? What is the problem statement? The problem statement will be, training 0 to 9. Then why 33 will come actually? మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? దెన్ ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్, హీ స్లెప్ట్ డ్యూరింగ్ మై ఇంట్రడక్షన్ యాక్చువల్. నాట్ యూ సార్, నాట్ యూ, ఐ మీన్ ప్రీవియస్ స్టూడెంట్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ, రైట్? No, sir. No, it was not like that. Then the target variables I used to tell, 0 to 1797 actually. 1797. Now let me just try to show you. It should be 0 to 9. Don't predict the number actually. Yeah, good. I can say 5. I can say 5 actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? వెరీ గుడ్. Let me tell you 1500. What is the image? Some number actually. Yeah, some number. But that number should be, I can give one guarantee. 0 to very good. 0 to 9. 1 you are getting. Previously one student asked, Daniel give 2000 actually. Can you guess the output? Come again. Come again. Let me tell you. Very good. Very good. What is the total images? Then what you are providing? Then what you are getting? Yeah, make a note on this one. First of all, these are all, you know what, sir? Forget about algorithm, fundamentals. Index error. What error? That's it. You should not ask what is index error actually. Many students are confusing here. No need to confuse. First of all, this is something like, understand the data set. Understand? If you are very good in understanding the data set, things will be very easy actually. Now online team, just now I'm looking at your questions. Index error, I hope you already know. Online team, let me look into your questions actually. Low digits used to teach only 0 to 9. As of now, only 0 to 9, sir. Siddiq Sarji. Okay, next one. Siddiq sir, how do these predefined images load into the dataset? Can help in real life project? Sir, that's what I'm telling. The power of Python, not only it can store a kind of some, sir, let me tell you. It not only can store the numerical existing value, it can store the images, and the images convert into array data actually. That power, it is having that power actually. Siddiq Sarji, just now I have seen question. Okay. Good, very good. Then, can I ask one question? Did you understand the session actually? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Even the same question he asked actually. In a computer vision, we are going to see. In computer vision is a separate topic. There we can give our own photos also. It will recognize. I understand. That's what I'm saying. These are all predefined images, ma'am, as of now. Think like a cat on dogs. User defined images. You go to the Google and you can just try to download 50 cat images and 50 dog images. You can save in one folder. That folder path we can give to the model that I will cover in a computer vision. There is a separate topic actually. Computer vision topic. Okay? Yeah. If you want, you can download, sir. But it definitely takes a huge memory actually. Huge memory. Why? Because 1797 grayscale images we can download. I hope I answered. Can I continue? Yeah, maybe continue in the sense, let us close the today's session. But where are we exactly? Maybe displaying these are all images. Image number 0 and image number 1 and image number 2. Like this. But Daniel, can I see in one shot 5 images actually? Then you need to apply for loop. You need to apply. This example I will continue tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Tomorrow we are going to close this one in another 20 to 30 minutes actually. We will enter into the new another algorithm. Are you ready? Yeah, don't miss tomorrow's session. Let me, here I no need to upload the dataset because public dataset. What dataset, sir? Public dataset, right? Good. We done today's session. We will connect again tomorrow. Which one, sir? Oh, okay, okay. Then those are all in my personal laptop. Done. Python done actually. Let me upload. Let me upload. Those material really became very nice actually. Our materials are very good actually. Fine, then you take a control. I will upload the material and I hope it is not Brahmananda image, right? Actually, I'm just kidding. Please don't mind. Yeah. Sorry. Just I'm kidding, ma'am. Okay, good. Let me upload. Yeah, you start. Let you go actually. Thank you. Thank you for attending today's session, everybody. We'll connect again in the next session. First, let us upload. Here onwards, I will upload first to data set actually. Then I can move on with the material. Images I have uploaded. Then let me upload the material too actually. Materials and machine learning. 19. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Running nodes also I need to upload. రాజేష్ గారు మీరు రెజ్యూమ్ కదా వర్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ షేర్ చేస్తారా మీరు షేర్ చేసిన పీడిఎఫ్ కదా వర్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ అయితే దట్స్ వాట్ సార్ మేబీ అంటే దానికి సంబంధించిన వర్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ మీరు ఏమైనా ప్రిపేర్ చేసి ఉంటారు కదా సో దట్ ఐ కెన్ హెల్ప్ యూ వేర్ ఆర్ ఆల్ చేంజెస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ యాక్చువల్లీ టుడే ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ యూ కెన్ షేర్ వీ కెన్ సీ దట్ ఓకే యా ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఓకే దెన్ హోల్డ్ ఆన్ 1 minute